Right, as promised, today's video is a little bit different because we're in the car. So 2 degrees, a little bit chilly, but anyway, we're off on a little bit of a trek, off on a journey, off to pick up something. Try and have a guess what it is. If you can't guess, wait to the very end of the video and I will let you know what it is and exactly how much I paid for it. And the price for it is pretty unbelievable. Button that starts it and ends it, so you know, you press that button, it's not going to be made up anyway, so it's just a few minutes worth of travelling along sort of thing.
Yeah.
Turn right onto Leeds Road, B2163.
I'm going to reach that by Leeds Castle.
Continue on B2163 for 3 miles.
The British countryside. How boring.
Right, there you go, we are now back home. I've got no idea what the footage is like of us travelling along because I gave that to the Rugrat. It was in the back of the car because it was half term and he had to come along. Well, he didn't have to come along, but he wanted to come along. So we went off and we picked up this piece of kit I've got right behind me. Now, before I show you it, I will just explain that it hasn't been used in a while and it does need a bit of work doing to it. Not a huge amount, but the price I paid and what I got is quite well worth it, I think, to help me expand my business into other areas and doing new different things. Because I work from home, you know, I like to try new different things. Anyway, I'm rambling. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There it is. Okay, no need to be quite so underwhelmed by it. It is a Gravograph engraver. As I said, hasn't been used in a while. Let me take you off there and I'll bring you over and you can have a look over it with me. Where's the clip? There it is. Let's flip that back around so I can actually see myself as well. There we go. Right. I don't have the greatest amount of room to be able to move around. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any letters, so I can't put anything in there to test it out straight away. But that's fine, I can order some letters. So it's got the pointers, it's got the bit in the middle which holds whatever it is you're engraving onto. It's got one, I can't remember what they're called, engraving bit there. And we got everything at the back. We got the motor, but the motor is missing the belts. There are no belts on the motor to put it in, but it does spin, which is always a good sign. Now unfortunately the end of the lead looks like that. So I just need to whack a plug on there and give it a test. But before I even think about doing that, I am going to open it up and just have a quick look inside just to make sure everything's alright. And it looks okay. So yeah, it's rusty. It needs a bit of work doing just to clean it up. But it does still move, which is good. And there's one here that turns. There you go, you see the bars are just coming slightly closer together now. There we go. So yeah, it's not held in there perfectly, it needs a little bit of work doing. My experience with engravers is virtually none with anything like this. I have had a little tiny bit, not a huge amount, so it's going to be a right old learning curve for me to try to work it all out. Now as I turned around and said, it was a bit of a bargain, and I do keep my eye out on little bits and pieces. I have various eBay alerts that are rigged up. So with this one, what I've done was it just came up as one of the alerts for something in the local area, and this is it on eBay. This is the eBay listing, and you can see just at the top there, that's all it was listed as, just engraving machine untested. Had they have put Gravograph in there, it would have gone for a lot more. But the winning bid, that's how much I paid for it, £10.51. So I've got the choice now. I can hang on to it, or I can just flog it on again and I can make maybe 10 times my money. That was the description of it. Engraving machine. I can't have this camera still. There we go. engraving machine, untested. It has no plug on it, so I don't know if it works. And that was it basically. And you've got these pictures here. If I put you back into the tripod and then probably a better image. So yeah, we just had these pictures here. They didn't exactly show a lot. They obviously show the engraving machine. They show that it's a Gravograph, but that is it. That was all I had to work off. So I was willing to go to about 25, maybe 30 quid. Not too much more, but yeah, I got it for a tenner. It took an hour and a half to get there and back. Anybody who turns around and says, oh, you live in the southeast, they've got great transport links, is talking a load of old baloney, because we live in Hastings and we had to go to Sheerness, which is only 40 miles away, but it's an hour and a half each way, because there is no dual carriageway until you get right up near the Isle of Sheppey. So anyway, yeah, that is it. This is what I'm going to be working on in my spare time. Still going to be doing the signs, still going to be doing all the sign videos and everything else like that. If anybody knows anything about them, if anybody knows anything about this particular model, I'm presuming because it's not a flat one, all the ones I've worked with in the past have been flat. So you do this and it goes onto like a plaque or something. We used to use them for ID tags for electrical cabinets. So it was flat, it wasn't all built up like this. So I'm presuming because this one is all built up and is rigged up, that it might be able to take like the trophies, cups, mugs, steins, those sort of things in it. But if you know anything about it, please do leave me a comment, sling me over an email, let me know, because I'm keen to learn. And yeah, I will be making some videos in the future about it. So yeah, many thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. We need subscribers. Us little YouTubers, we need more and more of the subscribers that we can get ever since YouTube have changed the way how it works. So yeah, please subscribe, and until the next video, bye bye.